So I built this frame rotisserie out of 2x6s, those casters, and I have less than $200 into that whole thing. So this is how this is going together. We got 48-inch piece here. This piece is 45, so it's an inch and a half shy there. This piece is 51, so it's an inch and a half long. This piece I notched to fit in there. So this one butts up to there. I'll screw into this first. And then this piece will come up here. This will be flush. Screw those together. This will be where one of the wheels goes. A wheel will go here on the bottom side. Same thing on the other end over there. I may have to add a little block here so I can screw the base of the caster on. I don't have the casters yet, so I don't know exactly how wide they are, but I imagine they're, something like that. I'm going to get the casters from Harbor Freight, I believe. I'm going to go there tomorrow and see. So this will be the base of the stand. The upright will come in the center here, come up. I got to figure out how high that's going to be. I want to get the wheels on this before I cut that piece and figure out how high that's going to be. These are 36 out. Okay, there, that is all glued and screwed together. The uprights will go in here. Nice and tight. Have to just figure out how high these are going to be once I get the casters on. And that's tomorrow. Okay, I guess here's the moment of truth. Okay, this side is held up. We're gonna do the other side. I can see I got one flat tire. The thing I have left to do is somehow get a clamp of some sort around that so it won't slide out. Well, there it is. So I built this frame rotisserie out of 2x6s, those casters, and I have less than $200 into that whole thing. I got the casters on sale at Harbor Freight. They were, I think, $100 for all 8 of them. And then I think I had maybe $70 in lumber, a few screws, all the steel I just had laying around. This is just some angle iron, some 2x2 angle, and some 1.5" rigid conduit, which this piece I had threaded, so I put a coupling, screwed a coupling on. I punched these 4 square covers out to give it some rigidity and doesn't, so it doesn't wear out on the wood and cause it to wobble. So spins fairly easily. I think it's got just enough resistance to it where, wherever I put it, it would just about stay put. Okay, now I can finish sandblasting it. If I happen to draw up some plans for these, I'll leave a link in the description below.